What is a radio communication link? In order to study the radio communication link, let us consider a man who wants to talk to another person. So for this purpose, he will use a mobile phone. First person will call another person and say hello. When his friend picks up the phone call, he will hear the voice of first person. This transmission and reception of information is carried out by mobile phones, and the whole communication is done through radio waves. Thus, we can conclude that establishment of the link between the transmitter side and the receiver side by radio frequency signal is known as radio communication link. Now let's consider how the whole radio communication link works. The transmitter section sends the information to be first fed to transmitting antenna. The information transmitted travels in space. And finally, the receiver antenna receives the signal. This makes the overall radio communication link for the purpose of transferring information from transmitter to receiver. Now, what is the fundamental component of a link? The fundamental component of a link is the RF carrier wave. The carrier wave is generated and transmitted towards the ground station through an antenna. The antenna at the ground station receives the carrier wave and detects it with a receiver circuit. A link has been made. Related term is